Raum is when you're stopping on the last letter is a dhamma or a kasra, a u or a e, and what you do is you pronounce it 1/3 of an haraka when you stop on it. Like for example, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Is either me over here. You say Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, but you say mit 1/3 of a haraka. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. You say 1/3 of a haraka. That's the Rome. And there's a couple notes about the Rome. And what you do is you pronounce the last letter with the harakat with the dhamma or the kasra 1/3 of a harakat. Now what happens is there's some notes on it. Mad aridli sukun, it can only be two. It cannot be 4 and 6. Like for example, Ar-Rahman Rahim, Rahim. You can't do Rahim 4, or you can't do 6 Rahim 6. You can only do 2 Rahim. That's one of the notes about Rome. You can't do 4 or 6 in Mad Arid Sukun. You can only do 2 harakat. The other thing is there's no qalqala, iyaka na'bud. If you stop with it, normally speaking, you have qalqala on the dal, iyaka na'bud. The dal is a qalqala letter, but if you stop with the Rome, you don't have the qalqala because you say the dhamma 1/3 of a harakat. Iyaka na'budu, you say it like 1/3 of a harakat, so there's no qalqala. And the third thing is if you have the letter ra, whether you pronounce it thick or thin depends on the vowel on it. If it's a fatha or dhamma, then you say the ra thick, you keep it thick, ro. And if you have a fatha on it, the Rome doesn't go if the letter has a fatha. But if it has a dhamma on it, then you pronounce it ro, thick. And if it has a kasra on it, you pronounce it thin. Very short. So the thickness and the thinness of the ra remains according to the haraka on it. So those are notes for when stopping on Rome. And again, when you stop on the letters, there's 3 ways to do it. The one is sukun mahad, normal speaking, you just make a sukun. The other way is Rome, if you have a kasra and dhamma. And the last one is ishmam with the dhamma. And Allah knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.